Operations on real numbers.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
If p and q are two integers and q is not equal to 0, then the numbers which can be expressed in p by q form are rational numbers, and the numbers which cannot be expressed in p upon q form are irrational numbers.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
The collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers is called real numbers. It is denoted by capital R. Consider these irrational numbers. Among these irrational numbers, those numbers which contain radical sign are called surds. So remember that a surd is an irrational number having radical sign. For example, root 2 is a surd. Root 3 is a surd. Likewise, third root of 5 and sixth root of 7 are also surds. But pi, e, 0.120, 2344, 644 and so on are irrational numbers, but these are not surds. Real numbers often involve surds. So in this video, we will talk mostly about surds. Let's learn various operations on surds. Addition and subtraction of surds can be done only if they have same value under the radical sign. For example, consider 3 root 5 plus 2 root 5. Here, 3 root 5 and 2 root 5 have same values under the radical sign. So these numbers can be added. Since root 5 is common, so according to distributive property, we can take it outside the bracket like this. Solving this, we get root 5 multiplied by 5, that is 5 root 5. Now consider 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6. Here, the values under radical sign are different, so we cannot add these numbers. In the same way, we can perform subtraction 3 root 5 minus 2 root 5 as the values under radical sign are same. We will get result root 5. However, we cannot perform subtraction 3 root 5 minus 2 root 6 as the values under radical sign are different.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
For multiplication and division of surds, we use few identities. For positive real numbers a and b, that is a greater than 0 and b greater than 0, under root a multiplied by under root b is equals to under root ab. Under root a multiplied by under root a is equals to under root a multiplied by a, or under root a square under root a whole square, or a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, from which we can derive following identities. Root a plus root b into root a minus root b is equals to a minus b. Let's understand it. Consider LHS. Basically, to solve such multiplication, first multiply first number from first bracket with both numbers in second bracket, and then write the second number from the first bracket along with sign and multiply it with both numbers in second bracket. Solving further, root a multiplied by root a is a plus root a multiplied by minus root b is minus root ab, plus root b multiplied by root a is root ba, that is root ab, and root b multiplied by minus root b is minus b. These are the same terms with different signs, so we can cancel them. What remains is a minus b. Since LHS is equals to RHS, so this proves the identity. Similar to this identity, we can also write a plus root b multiplied by a minus root b is equals to a squared minus b. Next, a plus b multiplied by c plus d is equals to ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. So we can write root a plus root b into root c plus root d is equals to root ac plus root ad plus root bc plus root bd. Also as a plus b whole square is equals to a plus b into a plus b is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, root a plus root b whole square is equals to root a plus root b into root a plus root b, which is equals to a plus 2 root ab plus b. Next, under root a by b is equals to root a upon root b.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Now let's solve some examples to learn various operations on real numbers. First example, add 6 root 3 minus 2 root 7 and 5 root 3 minus 4 root 7. We can add or subtract only those numbers which have same value under radical sign. So we can write 6 root 3 plus 5 root 3 minus 2 root 7 minus 4 root 7. Taking root 3 common, we can write root 3 multiplied by 6 plus 5, and taking minus root 7 common, we can write minus root 7 multiplied by 2 plus 4. Instead of minus root 7, if we would have taken plus root 7 outside, then we would have written minus 2 minus 4 inside the brackets. It is also correct. Solving this, we get root 3 multiplied by 11 minus root 7 multiplied by 6, that is 11 root 3 minus 6 root 7. Next example, solve 18 root 24 plus 12 root 6. Here you can see that the numbers under radical sign are different. So you might think that we cannot add these numbers. But it is not true. Let's see how we can add them. Root 24 can be written as root 4 multiplied by 6. Here we will use identity root AB equals to root A multiplied by root B. To separate these numbers, that is root 4 multiplied by 6 equals to root 4 multiplied by root 6. Further, root 4 can be written as 2. Root 4 can be written as product of 18 and 2 is 36. Now you can see that in both terms, the numbers under radical sign are same, so we can add them. Taking root 6 common, we can write 36 plus 12 inside the brackets, and so we get answer root 6 multiplied by 48 or 48 root 6.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.